How do I derive a formula? I don't know how to do any of the math. Can you give me the crash course in 30 seconds?
In the absolute shortest crash course, think of deriving a formula as reasoning backward from what you want. First, you write down what you're trying to solve, your target variable or function. Second, you identify the relationships or definitions, like Bayes' rule or a simple sum, that connect known quantities to the unknown. Then you substitute or rearrange step by step, checking units or dimensions if possible. Keep simplifying until you isolate the target. Of course, real math needs more time, but start with known rules, apply them step by step, and verify each transition. That's the skeleton process.
Can you work through a specific formula with me right now?
Absolutely. Let's derive something fundamental. Bayes' rule. 1. Core answer. Bayes' rule gives us the posterior probability of a hypothesis given data. 2. Definitions. Let H be a hypothesis, D be data, PH the prior, PDH likelihood, and PD the marginal likelihood. 3. Equation. Bayes' rule states PHID equals PDHID times PH divided by PD. Intuition. The posterior is a combination of how likely the data is if the hypothesis were true, weighted by how plausible the hypothesis was beforehand. 5. Example. If you have a prior belief a coin is fair, PHH equals 0.5, and you observe 3 heads, you compute PDHID, the likelihood of that data given fair or biased hypotheses. Caveat: PD often needs to be expanded using the law of total probability. Relevance: this underpins all of active inference, since we're constantly updating beliefs. Now let's pick a next step.